My name's Yashika Felton, and I'm from Frisco, Texas. When I first moved into this home, I was happy, but after 17 years, everything got old to us, and we needed to brighten up everything. And so we had this brown, beautiful wood cabinets, and we just wanted something fresh and new. I found Spray Tex by scrolling through Facebook, and then I researched it, and so I decided to go with Spray Tex because it seemed like it was convenient for us. It meant that I didn't have to do it, my husband didn't have to do it. I knew I picked the right team when we had the consultation. I just had a good peace. I was at peace of saying, okay, we can do this, and they're going to be able to get it done. The process with Spray Tex was very easy. The hardest step was for us to decide what color we wanted. So once we had a consultation with help with choosing the color, it was just very easy. We just basically just had to make sure everything was cleaned out, and then they came in and we sat back and watched. It took about maybe 3 days to do the project. They continued to talk to us and let us know when they would be coming the following day, what the time frames would be. Just the customer service stood out the most to me. My first reaction when I saw the finished product was, wow. I felt like we had had an extreme makeover. I was wowed. They transformed our kitchen. If a friend asked me if they should hire Spray Tex, I would say 100%. Go for it. Do it. Get it done. Get it done.